The BLACK+DECKER dustbuster Handheld Vacuum, cordless car vacuum portable 12-volt with rotating and extendable nozzle, is a tool designed to target messes in hard-to-reach spaces. Compact, cordless, and equipped with a rotating nozzle, it aims to deliver convenience in every cleaning task, whether you're cleaning your car, furniture, or tight corners around the house. This 12-volt hand vacuum comes with a cyclonic action system to maintain strong suction, helping prevent clogs while providing consistent performance. The transparent dirt bowl makes it easy to see when it's time to empty it, and its lightweight design promises effortless handling. Whether you're tackling carpet, hardwood, or other surfaces, this vacuum seems to check a lot of the boxes for users looking for versatility in a small, portable package. Now, let's break down what this vacuum has to offer and where it might fall short. First, the suction power. It features 16 air watts, a decent level for a handheld, but it's not going to match the cleaning strength of larger, full-sized vacuums. For quick pickups, think crumbs, dust, or pet hair in the car, it does its job well. However, when it comes to larger debris or embedded dirt, especially on thick carpets, you may notice a drop in suction. This doesn't mean it's ineffective, but it won't replace a heavy-duty machine for those more intense cleaning sessions. One thing this vacuum does impressively is its cyclonic action. This is designed to help maintain suction over time by spinning debris away from the filter, preventing clogging. It's particularly useful in handheld models, where airflow can be compromised as dirt builds up. This feature is a nice touch, ensuring that it stays functional longer without losing power mid-clean. In terms of practical usability, the dustbuster's slim nozzle and crevice tool make it easy to get into tight spaces. That's key if you're often cleaning in the nooks and crannies of your car or between furniture cushions at home. But while the nozzle can rotate for those tricky angles, it's still quite small, which limits how much ground you can cover at once. For larger areas, you might find yourself constantly needing to reposition. The included extendable crevice tool is great for those hard-to-reach spaces. It stretches out to help clean places like under car seats or between couch cushions, giving you a bit more flexibility than a standard nozzle would. However, the crevice tool's length is limited, so it's still not as versatile as some other handheld vacuums with even longer reach. Another bonus is the flip-up brush, which provides a soft bristle surface, perfect for tackling dust on furniture or delicate surfaces. It's a great feature for versatility, though if you're using it often, you might want to clean the brush regularly to prevent dust buildup. One downside here is that the brush is somewhat small, so while it works for light tasks, it may not cover as much surface area as larger brushes. When it comes to runtime, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster offers about 13.5 hours of charging time, which is a bit of a long wait compared to some quicker charging vacuums. On the plus side, once charged, it can run for a reasonable period, though the runtime is influenced by how much suction power you're using. On lower settings, it lasts longer, but if you're using full suction power, expect it to drain more quickly. A notable downside of this vacuum is its noise. It's not the loudest hand vacuum out there, but it's noticeable, especially if you're trying to clean in a more noise-sensitive environment. It won't be as quiet as some of its competitors, which could be a deal breaker if you're someone who values a quiet operation. When it comes to handling and maneuverability, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster is quite lightweight, making it easy to hold and maneuver for extended cleaning sessions. It's not bulky, so it won't strain your arms, which is always a plus when dealing with handheld models. However, its compact size means that the dustbin capacity is also limited, and you might find yourself needing to empty it more frequently. The dirt bowl is translucent, so you won't be left guessing about when it's full, which is a small but useful touch. Now, value for money. Priced affordably, this vacuum does a solid job of offering decent suction power for light cleaning tasks. For households with minimal carpeting or people looking for a quick way to clean up messes in tight spaces, it's a great tool. However, if you need something that can handle heavy-duty dirt or long, continuous cleaning sessions, it's worth considering that there are other handheld vacuums on the market that provide stronger suction, faster charging, or longer battery life for a similar price. Looking at some other vacuums in the same category, like the Dyson V7 Trigger or the Shark Ion W1, you'll notice that these models typically offer more powerful suction and quicker charging times, but they come at a higher price point. If your primary focus is portability and convenience, though, the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster holds its own in this range. In terms of build quality, it's solid for its price. The plastics feel sturdy enough, though not premium, and the joints and connectors work well. Maintenance is straightforward. Just make sure to clean the filter and brush regularly to keep it in top shape. It's not the most robust vacuum in its category, but it's certainly durable enough for light to medium use. As for customer support, BLACK+DECKER generally has a solid reputation for handling issues with their products, though there's little evidence suggesting major issues with this vacuum's durability at this point. Still, if you encounter any problems, it's good to know the company has a responsive support team. So, who is this vacuum really for? If you live in an apartment, drive a car, or just need a lightweight vacuum for daily cleanup of small messes, this might be just the tool you need. It's especially well suited for quick tasks like cleaning up crumbs, dust, or hair. However, if you're looking for something with more power or longer battery life to take on large carpeted areas or deep cleaning, this might not be your best bet. Thanks for sticking with me through this review. If you're interested in the BLACK+DECKER dustbuster, you can find more details in the comments below. If you already own this model, drop a comment and share your experience. I'd love to hear how it's been working for you. Goodbye till next time, and remember, no mess is too big for the Reviews Inside TV team.